Mekadov Chambers is at House 8, First Avenue, Upper Chime, New Haven, Enugu. Just come and drop it at the chambers. Then we will go and do the perfection, stamp duty and registration of their deed of accession or deed of ratification. We are doing something serious, not childish things. We are doing something legal, not childish things. Therefore, join this legal methodology. Join this movement by intellectuals. We are getting it. We are getting it. So when we are organized, in fact, you know, an organized army cannot be defeated. When we are organized as a customary government, properly organized, you know, we are now activate our customary security outfit, which we call Ndinche. You know that Ndinche is our customary police.